Welcome to lesson 4 of Chinese from Zero for complete absolute beginners. So, in this course, we learn Chinese the natural way, listening and speaking first. You'll hear the words, repeat after them, and get them into your muscle memory. Today, as usual, we'll start with a quick review from lesson 3 and then learn new things. Learn one of the easiest and most useful ways to ask questions in Chinese, just by adding one word at the end of a statement, of a sentence. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to turn a statement into a yes or no question. Ask about people, objects, and actions that you have already learned in the past 3 lessons. Revise them, get used to them, and build on it. And use our new vocabulary in natural questions and answers. So from lesson 3, you remember how to say my things, my dad, my school bag. The, that's right. You add the article the. 我的爸爸，我的爸爸，我的书包，我的书包。And what about this from an earlier lesson? I want this one. I want that one. I don't want this one. Or I don't want that one. So I want this one. 我要这个. I don't want. 我不要. I don't want that one. 我不要那个. That's right. One more. What about this? I want to learn Chinese. 我要学中文。我要学中文. Great. Yeah, keep those in mind. We'll use them again in today's practice, but in making it a question. So, the new grammar that we have is adding the word ma. So, ma is also an article. So, there is no tone for it. It's just like da, ma, da. So, it's not ma like in mother, mama. So, it's ma. Okay. In Chinese, you can turn a statement into a question, into a yes-no question, just by simply adding ma at the end. No change to the statement or the word order when you turn it into a question. Just saying your sentence as usual and then adding ma. For example, 你是学生 is you are a student. 你是学生 Turn it into a question. 你是学生吗? Repeat after me. Ma. So it's a neutral tone, light and short, just like the article the. Neutral, light and short. The. So the new vocabulary today that we just said earlier is 学生. So that's student. 学, you know the word 学 is to learn, to study. 学生, student. And teacher, 老师, 老师. So student, teacher. 学生, 老师. Say that again. 学生, 老师. Question and answer practice. So let's try the are you a student? So make the statement 你是学生 you're a student and then add 吗 So you are a student or not? 你是学生吗？你是学生 That's you are a student and 你是学生吗？你是学生吗？ Answer Yes, I am. Just a simple 是我是你是我是 or no 不是 just like 不要不是你是学生吗 That's it, just like that. Let's try something from an earlier lesson. The statement is You want this? 你要这个? You want this one? Make it into a question just by adding 吗?你要这个吗?你要这个吗? That's it. And the answer is 要. I want 要 or 不要 No, I don't want 不要不要 Another example. You learned this previously as well. 他是你爸爸 He's your dad. 他是 He is. 你 is you. 爸爸 is father. 他是你爸爸吗?他是你爸爸吗? Is he your dad? Answer 是 or 不是不是 Okay, the next is pronunciation focus. Is the X and the SH sounds. Listen carefully. 学 So that's 学 to learn, to study. The X sound is like a soft she. Tongue forward near your teeth. 学学学 And SH is 是 is your tongue back further in the mouth. But don't worry about all those mechanics. Just listen and try to make the sound. 学学 and 师师 So 老师学生 That's it. Okay, so say after me. 学师学生老师 Yep, keep repeating them. Teacher and student. So let's do a short question and answer drill. 你是老师 is you're a teacher. 你是老师吗?你是老师吗? Are you a teacher? Yes, I am. 是我是老师 Or no, I'm not. 不是我不是老师 Next one. 你要那个你要那个 Turn it into a question. 你要那个吗? 你 is you, 要 is want, 那个 is that one. You want that one? Or do you want that one? 你要那个 You want that one. 你要那个吗? Do you want that one? And the answer yes. 要 I want 那个我要那个我不要那个 That's it. And what about this one? 她是你姐姐吗?她是你姐姐吗? Is she your sister? 姐姐 older sister? Is she your older sister? 姐姐姐姐她是你姐姐吗?是她是我姐姐是 Yes 她是 She is 我姐姐 My sister My older sister So today you learned how to make yes-no questions in Chinese just by adding ma. So remember, ma is neutral, short sound without the tone. And it's at the end of the sentence. We also practice a few new words like student and teacher. Review sentences from our earlier lessons. Go back to lesson 1 to 3, review them. And you can change those statements that are in lesson 1 to 3 into questions by adding the article ma. In lesson 5, we'll do a big review. So don't worry, we'll do a big review of lessons 1 to 4 as a revision to reinforce what you've learned so far. And maybe I'll just add a small piece of new material in lesson 5 so that you can start talking more about people in your life. So keep practicing out loud and I'll see you in the next lesson.